Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix HTML5 video file not found on Chrome error. So let's go through it. So the first method is to clear browser cache and cookies of Chrome. So launch Chrome, then click on settings option over here, three dot icon, then click on settings. After that click on privacy and security. After that click on delete browsing data, and from here you need to click on delete data. So after this, check if the problem is resolved. If not, next solution is to update Google Chrome. So for that, again go here, and here you can see about Chrome section. Simply click on it, and here it will check if there is any update available. If any update is there, simply need to update your Google Chrome and then check if the problem is fixed. Next is to disable browser extension. So again go to Chrome over here. Here you can see extension option. Simply click on it, and if there are any browser extensions, simply need to click on it to disable, and then check if the problem is resolved or not. Next is to reset settings. So simply need to click on reset settings and then click on here, and after that click on reset settings option. So this will reset the Chrome settings, and after that check if the issue is resolved. Next is to add VPN to browser. So for that, go to launch your browser. After that, here you need to type Chrome Web Store. After it opens, click on the link. Then here you need to search for VPN, and from here you need to select any VPN you want and then add it to the extension, add it to your Chrome, and after that connect it to your browser and then check if the problem is resolved or not. So all these are few solutions that are suggested to fix HTML5 video file not found on Chrome error. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.